History of technical analysis. Because Japan is the first place in which recorded technical rules have been found, many historians have suggested that technical analysis began in the rice markets in Japan. Technical analysis has a poorly recorded history, but by inference, modern technical analysis. Although the practice of technical analysis in some forms likely dates back many centuries, Charles Daw was the first to reintroduce and comment on it in recent times. He is considered the father of modern technical analysis. Daw's introduction to stock indexes to measure the performance of the stock markets allowed for a major advance in sophistication of stock market participants. Dow was a lifelong newspaper journalist. His specialization in covering financial news began with mining story he wrote when working for Providence Journal in 1879. Do markets follow a random walk? Opponents of technical analysis claim that looking at past technical data such as price and volume to help predict the future is outlandish. In the popular book Random Walk Down Wall Street, Burden Malkiel refers to technical analysis as sharing a pedestal with alchemy. Some of these opponents believe that no underlying patterns exist in stock prices. Can past patterns be used to predict the future? Some researchers who have accepted that stock prices do not follow a random walk still do not accept the validity of technical analysts. These opponents agree that there may be patterns that can be fitted to stock price movement after the fact, but they argue that these past patterns cannot be used to predict the future. In other words, past patterns cannot be exploited to gain above average returns. There are two reasons why this group of opponents, especially academics, has drawn this conclusion. First, though there may be some underlying patterns, markets are constantly being affected by new information. This new information causes enough variability in underlying pattern that any knowledge of underlying pattern will not be enough to exploit the knowledge for profit. Market efficiency. Market efficiency is a description of how prices in competitive markets respond to new information. The arrival of new information to competitive market can be linked to arrival of a lamb chop to a school of flesh-eating piranha, where investors are plausibly enough the piranha.